Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on the video and watching. So today I'm going to show you all how to make a quick, simple, cheap DIY forever roses type arrangement. So what you'll need, of course, is some roses, which these I actually got from Amazon. I think they were, you get 18 or 20 roses. They were like 12, 16. They may have been like $18. I forgot. But of course you'll need some roses. You're also going to need some floral foam. I got 2 sets and you get 4 blocks in each one. I got these from the Dollar Tree. You'll need your scissors, and of course then you'll also need the box. So let's just go ahead and get started here. Now with the foam, I am going to just leave these in the plastic wrapping. It's a little less messy when you set it up that way. So I'll go ahead and get my box here and cut this open. And this box is, I'll let you guys know what size. Let's see. So here is my box. And the box I did get from Michael's. It's a gifting box. It is a 7.3 inch by 7.3 inch. So here is the actual wrapping for it. And I think it was $5.99 the box, and I believe I used, let's see, I had this at the time I had a 40% off coupon, and I got this box like a while ago. Now Michael's really hasn't been giving those the 40 and 50% off coupons lately. I know it's always just 20% or 20% off your total purchase, which is fine. That's, you know, fine too. But anyway, this is the box I got, and you want it kind of tall because your flowers are going to stand up. You can hot glue your foam off in here. I'm actually not going to do that because it's really not necessary. Because once you put your flowers in, I mean, who's going to be just shaking it around? So I'm not going to do that. So then what you'll do is, let's see, you get 25 roses in here, and I got these roses off of Amazon. These are felt flowers, and of course I got my favorite color, purple. And you all can't see, but I also have on like a purple dress. Purple flowers, purple scissors, you know the drill. So anyway, what you're going to do is just, you'll probably position, and you can get either 4 or 5 roses here in a row, and you'll just simply take your flower and just push it down. You can cut the stem, but push it down to the height that you're going to want. Let's see, let me try with the top on it. Yeah, the top still fits if you're going to close the top. So the roses come like this, and they already have the stem attached. They're just laying down. So all you basically have to do is just let the stem out and place the roses where you would like them to go. So I am going to go ahead and get started with placing these and pushing them down. And they actually push down pretty easy in that foam, the floral foam. Some of them you may have to cut, like this one here. It's touching the bottom, but I'm just going to cut the bottom a little bit. Anyway, I have some old wire pliers here. I'm just going to cut off the bottom so I can push it down a little bit better. And you just keep them close together like this, and you just keep going from here. Cut the bottom off, just pull the stem like that, and then just place it wherever you would like. So it looks like with these, I'm going to get about 4 in a row going across. And I don't want to bunch it up where it doesn't look neat, so pull this one up. I guess you can pull them up. You can adjust them to the height that you're wanting to do. And it also comes with these leafy things you can add if you want. I'm not going to add those on mine. I'm just going to go ahead and get my roses, cut off the bottom just a little bit, probably about 1/2 inch piece that I'm cutting off here, off of the bottom. And then just go ahead and fill in where you want your next placement at. I guess you may want to fill them in tight. You can try to get 5 in a row. Since I have so many flowers, you can either get a bigger box or you can just squeeze them in wherever they'll fit and then play around with them to however you want them to sit and lay. Let's see. Actually, I'll probably put this one here. There we go. And it's really easy to do. And these flowers feel so nice and silky. You probably will, you know, may have to have them dust them off a time or two, because since they're like a felt type material, they're probably going to get a little dusty at times, which is fine, not unless you put your top on. Usually, I don't know why you would want to put the top on, but I guess you can. Let's see. Now, this will be technically, could be, let me bring it down, my last row here. But if you want, I'm just going to put it in as my last row and see how it's going to look. If it's not going to look full, then I'll try to squeeze in some more. But technically, I do think this one would be, yeah, probably the last row. And I actually have a couple of these boxes. I have a white one I had left over from a baby shower many years ago that I did, probably at least 3 years ago, for my niece, her baby shower, well, for my brother's baby shower. And I still have a white, I know I have a white box left over. So I could actually use the rest of these flowers to maybe set that up. Let me pull this back some so you guys can see. So here's the finished product, and as you see, I have let's see, hold on, I have, oh, I need one more rose here. I have 12. Okay, I skipped it. It's all right. I'll put this rose here to tuck it in. Let's see, because I have your 8. Because it's at least should be a dozen, right? Okay, there we go. And just try to get that. I'm going to actually take this one out and pull it over some. You can kind of see where it's going to go. I want the box to look somewhat full. There we go. And then at this point, you can just kind of go in and play around with them to pull them up, adjust them so they're all not looking squished and looking nice. And then voila. Now the top here, you just put the top on the bottom of the box. And then there you go. You have a nice box with the bottom. And then you could decorate the bottom of your box. You could put a ribbon around it. I don't think I want to put any ribbon around it yet because I haven't found maybe a ribbon that I actually like that I want to put on here. But I think this is really a cheap, inefficient way to make these roses. You can give these as a gift to a friend, family. You can give it as a gift to your, significant other. Or just make this and set this in your house, set this on your room. Mine I'm actually going to put in my craft room, of course, because everything in here is purple. I'm going to put it on the top of my bookshelf. And I'll probably kind of slant it like cat a corner like this, where it's turned this way. And then if I find a ribbon, a pretty ribbon, I'll tie a ribbon around here with a bow, or you could maybe, cut out a saying with your Cricut or anything like that. And then as you guys see, I still have all of these roses right here left. I have 13 roses left. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Yep, because this is 13, and then I've used the package comes with 25. I have 13 left, and then I've used 12 here. So, if you like this project, give this a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know if you're going to make one, or considering making one, or have already made one. Let me know what color roses you use, or even what color box that you use. And thank you for clicking on the video and watching. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.